everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and thank you so much for dropping by. So, Jen from Sassy Southern NC Girl has started a new hashtag called, let me read it, make sure I get it right, hashtag Mini Makes Monday, which I'm really excited about because I like working small. Let's see if I a little bit extra light. So I decided to make little stickers. Let me show you. I've made a few. I'm going to get my journal out. Get that opened up. Oh, open. There we go. And I've already made this little mini sticker, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes how I made them. Let me just get it off the backing. I need nails. All right, there, it's coming off easy. So, and I thought maybe I would put this little sticker maybe in the middle, hey? Right there. And I have little sort of, I don't know what you call these things. It acts like a bone folder, I suppose. I'm just going to really get the little sticker down. All right, so there is my little sticker, because I do honestly feel very, very blessed. So let me show you some of the stickers I've already made and then how I made them. So here is a little leaf, little sort of cherry branch. Use your imagination, guys. This is supposed to be a butterfly. I don't know. That's a mutation, but anyway. Little house, and then I mustn't laugh, I'm going to make myself cough, and then a flower. Anyway, so there are the little stickers that I've made so far, and it's so easy. I've got a little bit of parchment paper here, and I've got a few more little goodies that I have drawn and fussy cut, and I have two more over here that I haven't fussy cutted yet. So let me quickly get those cut out and add them to my little batch here. I'm getting stuck. Okay, I think I'll just do one fussy cut. I'll do that little envelope a little later. I feel like I want to add a little bit something to it. Maybe some flowers, maybe a little message, something. Not sure what, something. But I'll cut this little heart out for now and add it to my stash. I think the ink on here might be a little wet still. Yeah, I think I'm probably not doing a smart thing here, but anyway, I did it. Yeah, it's still wet. All right, it's done. So I've got some of my little pictures. I have some Scotch tape. When it comes to the tape, I find that the thicker, better quality tape works better than maybe something you would find at Dollar Tree. Sorry about that noise. The Dollar Tree one tends to, it's very thin and it folds. So this one just works a little better. So let's get a little bit of this tape down on, and I said, okay, so you can see how easily it comes off, which is a good thing. But let me get it back down. So we want sticky side down on our parchment paper. Cut that loose. And then, oh, wait, no, I'll put that away. Now I'm going to take another piece of my tape and I'm going to put it sticky side up. Yeah, darn, I thought I was going to run out on this roll. Let me see if I can, how many, I may not be able to get all of my pictures out. Let's see, I'm sticking, stick. All right, so now I want to, let me get my finger off. Now I'm going to take my little picture. I'm going to go picture side down onto the sticky. Here, let me get my I really like the strawberry. I think I'm going to do more of the strawberry. Get my strawberry down. Picture side down. I'm going to try this heart even though the ink is wet. See, get that down as well. I'm optimistic I'm going to get everything, but I don't know. Here is my little field of flowers. Yeah, I don't know. Should I try? I mean, I can try. Yeah, I'm just going to squeeze in here. Okay, so there. Oh, got them all in. Now I'm going to turn it over and just put the sticky side down onto what is not a sticky side. So both our sticky sides are facing the same way now. Down it goes. I'm going to get that sort of bone folder thingy-mabobby out. It's my technical term, guys. This is a thingy-mabobby. And just get that tape really adhered around all the little pictures. And then I'm really just going to fussy cut them out, but I'm going to leave some of the tape. You'll see the tape is a little past the picture, because in that way I feel like it'll definitely stick. Okay, okie dokie. So let me cut out, oops, went too far. Cut out around my picture in this case a word. I'm really excited for this hashtag, this challenge, because working small is something I really love to do. So thank you so much, Jen. Made my heart very happy. Let me cut that out. To make these, because I can do these, you know, just draw a bunch of little pictures and really add to my stash. So, and some of them I really like more than others, like this strawberry I really like. And, you know, to draw a strawberry really is just a wonky oval, kind of like a wonky oval. Then if you think of a fan of leaves coming down with a stem, that really is all it is in shape-wise. And then to put the little seeds down, it's a little black stripe with a white stripe next to it to kind of give it that little seed look. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it so much. Okay, let's get our heart cut out as well. So please let me know in the comments if this is something that you guys have done, will try to do. You know, and what I was thinking is that you could use this same technique with pictures that you cut out from a magazine or words that you cut out from a magazine. You could honestly, you don't have to draw your own pictures. I just did, but you don't have to. Let's get that out. Let's start lining them up. So here I got away with wet ink on that one, and that one. Our little house, little cherries, pink cherries. Oh, I just noticed something. I have little blue lines in every leaf except one. How did I not notice that? Do you see that? There? Oh, man. That's okay. It's okay. It's not a train smash. I will just cover it with something. Stick a sticker on it. I used to say that a lot. Every time I made a mistake, it's like, it's okay. I'll just stick a sticker on it. Because in crafting, you can always, you know, there's always a way around fixing something. All right, you guys. Oh, last one to cut out. And then I have all these gorgeous stickers to add to my stash that I can use in my card making, in my journaling, maybe send some out in Happy Mail. yeah, there you go. Let me bring you back a little closer and you can have a look. There we go. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much for sticking around to the end and going on this little mini journey with me. And thank you, Jen, so much for the hashtag. I'm going to be having so much fun with it. And I will see you next time. Bye.